Introducing the Fusion Astro Electric Combination Boiler from EHC, a cost-effective alternative to electric storage heating, oil, solid fuel or LPG systems. The Fusion Astro Electric Combination Boiler is the perfect solution for properties with no access to mains gas supply and homes which have gas boiler restrictions. The boiler is perfect for wet central heating and also ideally suited for homes with underfloor heating. The electric boiler outputs are 12 kilowatt and 14.4 kilowatt single phase and 18 kilowatt and 24 kilowatt three-phase. The operating temperatures of the boiler can be adjusted using the easy-to-use control panel, which boasts an LED display. The temperature outputs range from 30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius for domestic hot water and 30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius for central heating. Among its design features, the Fusion Astro is 100% efficient, with a compact design, low running noise, rapid heat-up times, and a fully modulating control system. It also has inbuilt fault-finding diagnostics and ensures safe operation with a robust, fully insulated heat exchanger. The Fusion Astro Electric Combi Boiler provides on-demand instantaneous domestic hot water. They are suitable for small properties that have a shower and hot water outlets for sinks. In homes with larger hot water requirements, it can be combined with a hot water storage cylinder via an S-plan configuration. The Fusion Astro Combi Boiler comes with a 2-year guarantee and provides homeowners with complete peace of mind, reliability, performance and safety. For more information about this boiler from EHC, visit electric-heatingcompany.co.uk.